Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to let people affiliate for your Shopify store. As by creating an affiliate program for your Shopify store, you will be able to get more persons to promote your store and your products, and in turn you'll be able to make more money by doing even less work, as they will be doing the work, as they'll also be getting a commission. To get started, all you'll need to do is install a specific app. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on apps. After selecting apps, I want you to tap on app and sales channel settings. After doing that, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right-hand corner. After selecting Shopify App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in affiliate program. After typing in affiliate program, I want you to select Uppromote affiliate marketing. After doing that, you're going to simply scroll down and you can read more about the app. So you can see that they offer a completely free plan that will allow you to get unlimited affiliates, and you can approve or deny up to 200 referrals per month. You will also get access to their marketplace listing, coupon tracking, and so on. And you can also see their paid plans right here. But for this example, we will be using their free plan. So we're going to tap on install. After tapping on install, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all you'll need to do is tap on install once more to complete the installation process. After you have completed the installation process, you will be redirected to the Uppromote affiliate marketing dashboard. And from here, we'll now be able to set up our own affiliate program. So you can edit your first, last name, email address, and so on, as we are going to be creating our profile. So you're going to enter your password right here, then you're going to confirm your password. So let me do this real quick and then I'll tap on register. Once on this page, you can select any one of these options, as you can see right here. It all depends on what is your primary objective. So I'm going to tap on expand affiliate network. Then I'm going to tap on next. How many affiliates do you have right now? I'm going to select 0 since we are just getting started. What is your industry? And from here you can select the industry that you're in at the moment. So you can select any one of these industries, as you can see here. So let's say, for example, I was in the garden and outdoor niche. I would select that. Then I'm going to tap on start quick setup. After tapping on start quick setup, you're going to give it a few seconds. And then from there, you can tap on get started. So let's do that real quick. After tapping on get started, from here you can see set up program. So all you'll need to do now, we're going to simply scroll down and you can set your commission type. So whether you like to give them a percentage of the sale or a flat rate per item, you can choose from any one of those options. So let's say, for example, I will be giving each sale 5% commission. Then I'm going to tap on save and next. After doing that, you're going to see right here, create an affiliate account. I can tap right here, create an account. You can see right there, after you have created your account, you're going to tap on activate account. Then you'll simply toggle this on. After you have toggled it on, you'll tap on close. Then you're going to tap on next. From doing that, you can see right here, here is your affiliate link. So for example, if we were to click on this link, so let's right click it. So I'll tap on open link in new tab. You can see right there that it redirects them to our store. And you can also see the reference number right here. So you can see that we now have an affiliate link. So all we'll need to do, we are going to see right here, test the tracking system. You can tap right here where you'll see an example. So we could tap on here. And then from there, you can see it right there at the moment. And we'll simply tap on close and tap on next. After doing that, you can decide how you would like to pay your affiliates. So for example, if you like to pay them via PayPal, you can select PayPal. You can select Venmo, debit card. you can select whichever one of these options you would like to use. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Save and Finish. Then from there, you can tap on Go to Home. And that's it. You have now created your affiliate program. So you'll now be able to share this link with others. All you'll need to do to share your link, you can simply scroll down right here and you can see your registration form. So all you'll need to do is simply tap on Copy Link. After you have copied the link, if we were to open a new tab, you can see how it looks. So let me show you how your form looks. So you can see right here, join our affiliate program. They'll be provided with a 30-day cookie. That simply means that once someone goes onto your store, if they were to make a purchase within 30 days, the affiliate will be able to get a commission. You can see the 5% commission that I had created earlier. They'll scroll down, fill in their first name, last name, email address, password, and then from there, they'll tap on join. And that's how they'll be able to join your affiliate program. Now, if we were to go back, so let me go back real quick. Now, if we were to go back, if you'd like to customize this form, you could tap on registration form right here. After tapping on registration form, from here you can customize any section that you want. So you can see the different sections right there. So if you'd like to customize any section, you can do that from the left-hand menu option. So let's say we would like to customize this benefits text. We're going to tap on benefits text from the left-hand menu option. Then from there, you can edit, for example, the cookie period. So if you wanted to change it from 30 days, you could do that. You can also edit the commission type. So you can tap right there and you could change the commission type if you want also. You can scroll down and you could change the text. So you can see right here, instead of the 10% commission, I'm giving them 5%. So I'm going to add 5% right there. If it is a case that you would like to edit the form fields, you could do that right here by tapping on form fields. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save Changes in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Back in the top left hand corner. Now that you have edited your registration form, so you can now share it by simply copying the link. So you could copy the link right here and share it, or you could tap on Share Link right there and you could share it on any one of these social media platforms. Another thing that you can also do is by going over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you could tap on Programs. So you can tap on Programs right there, and then you can see the different affiliate programs that you have created. And you can also tap on Referrals, you can tap on Payouts, so you can monitor everything from this section. So you can do that right there. If you would like to add a referral, you can do that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.